In this tutorial, you will learn how to turn on notifications from the Perplexity AI app, ensuring you receive timely updates tailored to your interests. By following these steps, you can customize the notifications you want to receive, from news digests to alerts for specific tasks. Start by opening the Perplexity AI app on your device. Once the application is open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you will see the profile icon. Click on this icon to access your profile settings. After selecting the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, navigate to All Settings and click on it. This action will lead you to the settings page where various options are available. Look for the notifications section and select it to proceed. On the notifications settings page, you will see options for enabling different types of notifications. Start by enabling content notifications. To do this, locate the toggle next to each notification type. You can choose to turn on notifications for News Digest, Market Forecast, Tech Insights, Science Explorer, Sports Roundup, and Entertainment Weekly. Ensure to toggle on the notifications that are most relevant to you. Next, you will enable tasks and alerts. Look for the section labeled Scheduled Tasks. Here, toggle on the notifications to receive updates about your scheduled tasks. Additionally, find the price alerts option and toggle it on to get alerts when your target prices are reached. This will help you stay informed about important developments. After enabling tasks and alerts, proceed to configure email notifications. You will see options for different types of email notifications. Turn on the notifications for deep research and file creation, computer tasks, and scheduled tasks. This way you will receive email updates whenever there are relevant changes or tasks that require your attention. Lastly, enable web push notifications. Find the section labeled Web Push and look for the option related to deep research. Toggle this option on to receive web push notifications directly to your device. This feature ensures that you do not miss out on vital updates while using the app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.